you want to transform from this to this, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion and applying it all over my face. This moisturizer provides that long lasting hydration. Then for lip balm, I'm going on with Himalaya lip balm, and this lip balm is really creamy and provides that moisture. Next, I'm using this elf primer to blur out all my pores and create a smooth base for my foundation. Today I'm going on with this L'Oreal Infallible foundation in pure beige, and I'm applying it with a flat brush, and this provides full coverage. Though this foundation is a bit light for me, I will just warm it up with the contour. Then I blend it out with this fluffy round blending brush, and make sure you take your time to blend this. For contour, I'm going on with this LYS contour stick, and first warming up on the back side of my hand and gently applying it on the cheekbones, jawline, and a bit on my forehead. Then for blush, I'm going on with this DYS Beauty blush in the shade Drip, and applying it on the apples of my cheekbones. For concealer, I'm going on with L'Oreal Infallible in the shade Light Ivory, and applying it under my eyes and a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Then I blend it out with a beauty blender for that seamless finish. Next, for setting powder, I'm going on with this Pink Lips setting powder, and then I apply it on the center of my face and apply it under my eyes, nose, forehead, and a bit on my chin as well. Then for eyebrows, I'm using this Golden Rose eyebrow pencil. I start from the tail of the brow and then move in the front, and with a spoolie I blend it all out. Then for the eyes, I'm using this Ofra Miami palette and taking this dark brown shade and applying it all over my eyes. Next, I'm going on with this light brown shade and blending it all over in a circular motion. Then to provide that wing liner, I'm using this dark brown shade. I also take that shade under my eyes and blend it all over, and this provides that smoky effect. Today I'll be using this Uma Beauty matte filler lip liner in the shade Angelou, and this shade is very natural on my lips. Then I'll be using this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Ringleader and apply it on the center of my lips and blend it with my fingers. Then I'll be brushing out all the setting powder, and for mascara, I'll be going on with this Maybelline the Rocket Volume Mascara and applying it on the upper and lower lashes. Then to set my makeup in place, I'm using this Golden Rose fixing spray, and yeah, this is how the makeup turned out to be. If you guys liked my video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.